Evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of 2 days and newspaper. First Friday of the month, Friday, May the 1st, 2024. And here in this additional, we have seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have here the two, the three, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus we have here. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cypher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Not all. Too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles in the afternoon. So yeah, 7 puzzles for a day. Yeah, it's too much. The first one I will do is the 3-star Sudoku, and this will be number 8476. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, that's a lot, 32. 32 should be an easy one. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. Publisher, wrong indication. 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. We'll see if this is a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle. But I think it should be a 0 stars. Alright, so let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. Okay. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? The number. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there, okay. Need a 6 here. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 3 should be there. The 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place level 3 should be there. The 3 in this column, the 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright, 1. Then 5 and 7. I need a 5 and a 7 here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 7, the 6, Again. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 8, 9, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8 cannot fill this yet. 7 and 8. Alright, and now we have a 9 in the last column, the 9 in that column, so the column between. Only 3 place level 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the row below, no 9 there. Only place level 9 should be there. The 9 in this third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left on the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 in the second row, no 9 there. So the only place left on the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Okay, 4, 4. Need a 1 here. Alright, need a 1 here, need a 1 there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so last column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 1. And I need a 1 here. And I need a 1 there. That means in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. In this column, one of the missing numbers is a 1. Here can be a 1, we have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. Here can be a 1, we have a 1 in the third column. Again. Here can be a 1, we have a 1 in this row, second row, so no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. I need to wait. Here, okay. How about the 2, 2, 2? No. Well. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the second row, in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 4, 5, 7, okay. Well, 2, 2. Need 2, need 6. Ay. 2, 6. And the 5 here. Alright. Come on. How about 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8. 1, 8, and the 5. Need a 5 here. 1, 8, 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8. I'm thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. 5, 5. Need a 6 here. And I need a 6 there. What a 4. Well. Yeah. We have a pair. The 4 and the 5 in this row. The 4 and the 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the 1, 7, and 8 are left. Okay, need a 1. 7 and 8, and the 2 is missing. 2, 2. 2, 7, 8. Well. 7, 8, and 7, 8, and 4, 5. Yeah. The hard part. Come on. 2, need a 2 here. And I need a 1 here. 2, 8, 6. 2, 8, 6. 2, 8, 6. Come on. 7, 8, and the 2. Here can be 8. I need pairs to eliminate some numbers. Come on. This is taking too long. Let me put some numbers here because it's taking too long. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 3 places left. 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 places left. 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left. 2 could be here, could be there. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left. 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left. 1 could be here, could be there. 8. No 8 here. 8. 8. I need a number here. 8, 7. Give me an 8. Could be a 7 here. 7. Need a 7 here. 7. I need a 7. 2. Need a 2 here. 2, 7. Need a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, from the row below. Only 2 places left. 6 could be here, could be there. No 6 here. No 6. Need a 6 here. Come on. 8. This is taking too long. I'm stuck here. These 3 should be 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. So it is 7. How about the 7 then? So 7 need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. Can be an 8. Could be an 8 here. An 8. That means we have an 8 here, we have an 8 here. That means in this column we need an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. Here can be an 8, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Only place left at 8, should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left at 8 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8, we have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 goes there, 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 4, 5 is missing. For the 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 4 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next on the last column. The only place left, the 5 should be there. So the 4 and the 7 are left. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 7, I believe. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next on the last column. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 2 and the 8, I believe. The 2 and the 8. Let me mark those. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be an 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also, wait. 2 and 8, 7 and 8. Well, I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Then 7 and 8 are missing here. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 7 goes there. 1 box left should be the 7. 1 box, 8 and the 2 are left. We have an 8 here. So this box should be an 8. This box will be a 2. One box left in this big square for number 2. 6 and the 8 are left. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be, and a 6 goes there. So we have 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column only 2 places left with a 6 could be here or there, and I need a number. The 5 is missing here. We have a 5 in this row, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. Eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. Eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow. Not pleased with the time, but we solve it again. We solve it again. Oh, 4 and a 6. Overlooked. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Overlooked. Overlooked. Well, 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.